Hi, World Anaesthesia Day is celebrated every year on 16th of October. And the purpose of celebrating Anesthesia Day is to enlighten people about the anesthesia. And in a common man, they should understand the importance of anesthesia during the surgery. Every year there is a specific theme given for this day. And this year it is anesthesia in cancer care, which is very important, like to increase the length and stay of a patient who has been suffering from the cancer since many years. With this, I would like to take an opportunity to wish all my patients to have the speedy recovery and all anesthesiologists a happy anesthesia day, and we preach that we take utmost care of all our patients intraoperatively, postoperatively, and as and when required.
Wishing World Anaesthesia Day to all my colleagues. Today we recognize the vital role of anesthesia in healthcare. We honor expertise and compassion of anesthetists worldwide.
Hello everybody, happy World Anaesthesia Day to all of you, my friends and colleagues, everybody. And surgery may be major or minor, but anesthesia is always major. So all the best, keep going.
Happy World Anaesthesia Day to all the anesthesiologists who make surgeries safer and recovery faster.
Wishing a happy World Anesthesia Day to all intelligent anesthesiologists who ensures painless surgeries. Your dedication to take care of the patients in anesthesia is recommendable.
Wishing very happy World Anesthesia Day to my fellow anesthetists as the unsung heroes of operating room. And wishing very comfort, relief and safe outcome of each and every patient undergoing anesthesia today and forever.
Hi all, here is wishing a happy World Anesthesia Day to all my wonderful anesthetist colleagues. Your skillful hands and calm mind have saved many lives. And also to all our patients who are undergoing surgery and anesthesia, I wish a very safe and uneventful recovery today and always.
World Anesthesia Day is celebrated every year on 16th of October, which commemorates the first ever administration of ether anesthesia. And from 1846 till date, anesthesia has come long way. With modern anesthesia machines, ventilators, ultrasound guided procedures and sophisticated drugs have made anesthesia very safe. Anesthesia mortality, which was 1 in 5,000 patients in 1950, has now come to 1 in 2 lakh patients. So you can say that anesthesia is now very safe. Today, I will also take this opportunity to say that we at Epic Hospital has a very fine team of anesthesiologists for all specialty surgery, whether it is cardiothoracic surgery, oncosurgery, neurosurgery, orthopedic surgery or GI surgery. And I can guarantee you that at Epic, you are in safe hands when you are undergoing any procedures, whether it is a simple surgery or very complex surgery.